Alright guys, so we have this Trailblazer here, and I'm going to show you how to remove this little shifter. So this is putting it back, this little hook. Okay, this little hook has to come out. Now I used, not this, I used this and poked at it. Okay, but I did use this to get this little cover off. So this little cover has to come off. So it goes in like this. Here it snap. You go right in between to get this thing off. It's easier with two hands. You see? Alright, now this little hook. There's a little hole. Let me show you. It's on this side. See it? So it's actually not as bad putting it back. Getting it out is worse, but do not lose this thing. Okay? You can put it back to lock into place. You see? It's just about angles and how tight it is. Okay? And what that does is it releases. Put this back up here. Okay. That releases the whole shifter part. Now from here, you can just grab and pull upward. Now, this car is completely dead because airbags went off. But no safeties on this, so no Smurfs can get to this. Alright, this clip is in here. See that tiny little clip in there? You see it? And the same with this. This is in the front. This has the Smurf clip. The safety. Okay, and then you squeeze. And that's right here in the front. Alright, part number. I don't think you'll need this. Alright. So that's how you get the shifter part out. So putting it back is obviously plugging it all in. And the worst of it is lining up the leather around the shifter. You have to get this little thing in. You see, once it's all plugged in, this is the worst of it, and then you'll feel this get stiff once it actually locks into place. You see, and then you put the little hook back in. Got it? Good. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.